Thai style red curry.
Okay, are they good?
They're best. If you can find them. I highly recommend.
Okay, let me turn the air conditioning off so we can talk. So loud that it's reading about the mid-70s on this decibel meter when I'm not talking. Have you guys experienced this, trying to have a conversation with these loud RV air conditioning units?
You can't. You can't.
It's not peaceful.
I can't even hear the crunch in my own head.
So quiet. I cannot believe how quiet these are. We might even be able to lose a few inches off of our RV height. Yep, sure enough, we lost an entire inch, more than an inch, off the height of the roof of our RV. You know, when a product for an RV solves a pain point that you almost want to cry. I can't tell you how excited Cheri and I are for this install. I mean, this is like huge. I'm Tom.
And I'm Cheri.
And we're EnjoyTheJourney.Life. These guys cracked the RV air conditioning code. This is the quietest, most powerful, most efficient, coldest RV air conditioning unit on the market. EcoCool RV air conditioning units are exclusively distributed in the US by Premier Products, and they sent us these units to test out and review and share it with you guys. Our friends at RVRoof.com or Flex Armor installed our new EcoCool RV AC units when they were putting on our new roof. So thank you guys, we appreciate that. We'll link to those videos down below, and yeah, definitely check out Flex Armor. Man, just bulletproofed our RV roof. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how long Cheri and I have been waiting for this install. I mean, RV air conditioning, I mean, it's a thing. You gotta have some AC when you're in an RV. It's like a hot box, especially in the summer, but we're in Florida. I mean, we're using the air conditioning year round, as a lot of you have to do as well. But this has even more. It has a heat pump as well, and I'm just jumping ahead. So we're super thrilled to share our new EcoCool RV air conditioning units with you. It's a 15K BTU air conditioning unit, so it's powerful with a heat pump, but this thing draws 30% less power than some of the competition out there, so it's super efficient, but oh my gosh, it's quiet. I can't believe how quiet it is. So what I did is put the new EcoCool AC unit into turbo mode. It actually has 350 different fan settings on it. Can you believe it? So I picked the loudest one, and it's still super quiet. The decibel readings are like upper 50s, lower 60s. And I'm right here. It's so quiet. This is awesome. You know, when a product for an RV solves a pain point that you almost want to cry. So let's talk about noise. I mean, noise in an RV is a thing. And the air conditioning units can be so loud. I can't hear you over that. You can't even hear yourself think, let alone have a conversation. And all that noise it takes up brain space. It uses up your mind, and you have a hard time thinking, carrying on a conversation besides just the loudness of the fan. So we are just thrilled to share these EcoCool RV air conditioning units with you. And this is the holiday season. I can't think of a better gift to give to yourselves or a gift for a couple that's traveling than a new air conditioning unit with all of these features that these have. This will be a gift you'll appreciate all year long. So definitely check it out. I would like to sit here and just talk about the Quiet. That would be what I would like to do. There are other features I'm going to talk about that, but again, when things are quiet, you stop thinking about the noise. So it used to be that we had to keep the air conditioning off in the kitchen, the living area in the RV, because we could not have a conversation in here. And if it wasn't too hot, the units in the bedroom and the garage back here, they would kind of keep the whole RV cool, but not on really hot days. So this is great because we just don't think about it. It can be running and we just stop thinking about it. And isn't that like the definition of a successful gadget or tech, that the tool just works in the background and you don't even think about it? So not only keeping us cool on the hot days, these have a heat pump in them. And it has dipped colder, especially overnight. Some of these mornings as well have been a little cool. We've fired that up. Wow, they work great. I don't know if I'm ever going to use our furnace again in the RV. So having the heat on the cool mornings or, more of the winter months is really a plus. And again, these RV AC units are 30% more efficient than the competition out there. So if you're boondocking or off grid, you are going to get a lot more battery life out of it. We can't wait to test it out boondocking. Maybe not as big of a deal, but it now has a remote right now. So this is great. So if you're watching TV or in your bed or something, you've got a handy little remote here. But better than that, we've got the mount here as well. I haven't decided where to put this one in the main area here, but yeah, it just slips in like that. So you've got basically a wall control or the remote. This is great, guys. I love this aspect of it. You can get an EcoCool RV air conditioning unit with a soft start pre-installed if you like. That's what we did. They come in black or white. We went with white. Just a nice little change. And they come both ducted and non-ducted. There is a lot more tech that goes into the EcoCool RV AC units. I will link to that down below. You can check it out. Plus, if you're interested, whether it's during the holidays, a great gift to yourselves, or any time of the year, you're going to really enjoy these in your RV. And I can actually save you $60 off. This is an exclusive discount, the best one out there on these units. And if you need something a different size, they have some other AC units as well, depending on your application. So check those out.
Trim plate that goes up against the ceiling, it's heavier than what most of them are.
Oh, really?
It's thicker steel.
So the new
Air
ones
conditioners are heavier too.
okay. Well, yeah, heftier, and the air conditioning unit's heftier too, isn't it?
Oh, for sure, yeah. It's heavier, I know that.
Yeah, and this unit is heavier duty.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're looking forward to good things out of this unit.
Oh yeah. Hopefully there's a lot of cold air that comes blowing out of there.
Yeah. Cold, quiet air.
Quiet air, that's your key word there, huh? Quiet.
Yeah, cold and quiet.
How cool is that? We actually dropped height of our RV with this air conditioning install. These EcoCool air conditioning units are more than an inch shorter. They are 12 3/4 inches tall. Isn't that something? So that means that we can go to our RV Life Trip Wizard app and put in the new height of our RV. So that is really cool. And our EcoCool air conditioning units are made by Gree, the world's largest manufacturer of AC units. And actually, here's one of their units right here, and we are at a state park right now, so pretty cool that this building right here is being cooled off by a Gree air conditioning unit, as well as our RV right over there.